Oh my god! Are you kidding me? It sounds so much looter without the context. It sounds so much worse.
I want to give a massive shout out to my girl TQ for sending
TQ,
me that.
you betrayer!
Let's hear it again.
I might actually be able to make it sound better. Here, hold on.
Hey, Ben, you know who really needs that file?
What?
Our good friends over at engineering.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm calling it. And the drag has now been replaced with... Oh!
Yeah, there we go. We found it.
Yep. The new Wilhelm.
Yeah. It does. It sounds like a Wilhelm.
Sounds like Jordan's having a great time.
Yeah. What the dragon.